I'm Shannon from Wrexham Volkswagen and I'm going to be showing you around one of our approved used vehicles.
Here we have an incredible 67 plate Golf R, which is a 2 litre TSI DSG 4Motion 310ps. This performance car comes finished in a Lapiz Blue special metallic paint as an optional extra, covering just over 41,000 miles. Another great option includes heat insulated rear tinted glass that's 90% light absorbing. We have the optional 19-inch Spielberg alloys as well as a fantastic panoramic sunroof. This car offers a generous boot space considering the size of the vehicle, with enough room to cater for day-to-day needs such as any weekly shopping. We also have a rubber floor which is much more practical. Taking a look at the interior, we have a Vienna leather upholstery as an optional extra, featuring ISOFIX points in two of the outer rear seats as well as that centre armrest for additional comfort. Moving to the front, we have a multifunctional steering wheel followed by the heated front sport seats with lumbar support as an optional extra. These are also all-line embossed with plenty of manual adjustments. The steering wheel is multifunctional, allowing to access the car's media system, including the adaptive cruise control. Directly ahead, we have a fully customisable active information display. This showcases important driver information and settings. This works alongside the infotainment system in the centre, which allows you more in-depth access to the car's features. This includes DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as app connections, so you can seamlessly display phone apps through Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. Another brilliant feature includes satellite navigation, which will support you when planning your routes. A great optional extra includes the dynamic chassis control, featuring driver and profiles, allowing you to choose your car's performance. We also have front and rear parking sensors to assist you in making tight manoeuvres and help to keep your car nice and safe. Just below, we can locate climate controls, which allows yourself and front passenger to be in charge of your own individual temperature settings, as well as the 3-point front heated seating options either side. Moving down, we have some additional storage, automatic transmission, followed by an electronic park brake.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years warranty as well as 2 years roadside assistance. For more information, please give us a call on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.